A bear market is a period of time in which the prices of securities, such as stocks or cryptocurrencies, are declining. This can be a challenging time for investors, as the value of their investments may be decreasing. There are several factors that can contribute to a bear market in the cryptocurrency market. One possible cause is a decrease in demand for a particular cryptocurrency, which can lead to a decline in its price. Another factor could be increased regulatory scrutiny, which may make some investors nervous about investing in cryptocurrencies. Additionally, bear markets can be fueled by negative news or rumors about a particular cryptocurrency or the market as a whole. It's important to keep in mind that bear markets are a normal part of the investment cycle and that they can provide opportunities for long-term investors. During a bear market, it may be a good time to look for undervalued cryptocurrencies that have the potential to increase in value over the long term. It's also important to diversify your portfolio and not to panic sell during a bear market. It's usually best to have a long-term investment strategy and to stick to it, rather than trying to time the market.